Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 30th, 2019, and I wanted to give you an update on the true lavender plant that, this was a seedling from last year that I planted out, and did survive the winter, and it is still growing, so it's preparing itself for another winter here, and I just wanted to give you this quick video update on it. Now, the true lavender is hardy in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, and we did have a colder than average winter last year, and did survive through. It had a little bit of damage, so I just had to cut that out. And I do have a playlist on my channel for how to start lavender from seed, and how to germinate the seeds. I have a trick that I use to get them to germinate. And I did germinate some in the greenhouse, and they are growing very well in there. And I used the same method with the exception of the light, because they were in the greenhouse. I didn't need to use the lights. So I will continue to give updates on this as it goes through the winter time, when there isn't snow on the ground. And we are calling for some very cool temperatures coming, in the lower 20s. So just want to give you this quick video update. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.